The dissipation is completely uniform across the fuselage.
Yes, the cool blue confirms the structural homogeneity. It's ready for the ram coating.
The powerful, focused air nozzles sweep across the complex contours, dislodging microscopic particles and preparing the
The robotic arm applies the thick, dark gray conductive ram base coat. The specialized paint is deposited uniformly.
The aircraft is transported via an automated rail system into the massive, insulated oven. The
J-35A emerges from the curing oven. Its Process base coat stabilized. It now...
Robotic arms meticulously removing the temporary masking films from the sensitive areas of the Shenyang J-35A.
The intermediate ram layer is applied with extreme precision, building the multi-layered structure crucial for broadband radar absorption.
The second layer of RA material settles seamlessly onto the cured base coat, confirming perfect interlayer adhesion. The technician verifies the radar-absorbent material thickness. The reading of 415 microns meets
This specialized robotic tool applies a microdot of ram material, immediately cured by a focused laser.
The J-35A emerges from Process A, seals its protective polymer sheath.
Using specialized tools, the protective polymer is removed, showcasing the perfectly preserved Process A coating.
A specialized ultra-mild solvent is applied to reactivate the surface, ensuring optimal chemical bonding.
Trajectory confirmed. The stealth shaping compensation is active.
And zero deviation tolerance verified. Initiating process B now.
The high-precision robotic nozzle begins dispensing the darker charcoal dielectric ram topcoat onto the Shenyang J35A.
The curing bay utilizes specialized microwave emitters alongside traditional heat lamps, designed to internally cross-link.
Look at the reduction on the trailing edge.
Process B is validated. The coating works as designed.
Specialized, stealth-compatible paint applies unit designations and safety markings, integrated into the RAM coating system. Clear on the starboard side. Coating looks nominal.
Systems check is green. We are clear for rollout prep.
Robotic arms carefully install the complex nose-mounted radar array into the radome of the fully coated Shenyang J35A.
The massive gantry cranes precisely lower the turbofan engines. The matte charcoal coating confirms the aircraft.
As the engines spool up to idle, emitting a powerful heat plume, the matte charcoal ram coating remains stable and
Coating looks good. No degradation visible.
Copy that. Checking hydraulics now.
The finish on this unit is superb. All documentation is in order.
Confirmed. Ready for sign-off.
Here are the final certifications, Commander. The RCS performance meets all specifications.
Excellent. We appreciate the factory's dedication.
Bay 1 secure, move to Bay 2.
Fueling complete, disconnecting now.
Copy that, all systems green. All systems green, ready for launch.
The matte charcoal finish remains stable, resisting intense aerodynamic forces and moisture heat condensation.
Flow rates are stable, pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Perfect distribution confirmed. The system is fully operational.
The Shenyang J-35A demonstrates long-range capability, flying low over international airspace.
The water beads perfectly, confirming the effectiveness of the protective sealant applied during Process B, ensuring environmental resistance and maintaining stealth performance.
Vector 290, clear to hold.
Affirmative, turning to parking.